2, 3, action.
Hey guys, welcome back to today. I have a Toyota Supra Diecast car that I want to talk about today. So my dad got me this as a gift. So here it is. Look at that. Now there's gray color on the car, very detailed. I love the chrome rims on it. Let's take a look at the interior. The steering wheel is not on the left side, so this is a regular car, not Japanese. So if it was Japanese, it'd be on this side. But still, it does not have a spoiler on the car, but still has a Supra right there and the Toyota logo. This thing is very detailed. It has a Toyota look on the front. Look at the headlights there. And then after it has Toyota written there, and it says Supra. Look at that. So look at that. We can also, I think we can do this. Ooh. Alright, let's do a little. Wow, alright, that is fast. I kind of just want to release it, but I don't want to, like, crash a lot. That's cool. Oh. Alright, so let's put it back on here. But yeah, I have nothing really else to say about this Toyota Supra. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye. Bye-bye.